the assessment of what is trustworthy and what is knowledge that I can take to the bank that I can apply elsewhere. Teachers really play a crucial role in that. They help us, they help the students say, of all the information that you're drowning in, these are the things you should pay attention to. And that's why faculty, staff, and teachers are still going to play such a vital role. And we never seen ourselves as needing to replace them. We've always seen us playing a really strong complement to teachers, and for them to bring a trusted voice into the classroom, one that is trusted both from a student's perspective, because they really understand that the knowledge in there is something they can take to the bank, but also that the feedback and the things we collect about the students is something that the instructors and the faculty staff can really trust. So for us, trust is key in that environment. We desperately want to be in that space where students and teachers know that the thing between them that they can really trust, a partner in the classroom that they can really trust, is Labster.